Suspected serial bike robber nabbed by the cops in police chase. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police said that the coordinated efforts of several teams in St. Andrew North Division resulted in the arrest of a suspected serial bike robber on Thursday, December the 9th. The suspected serial robber was nabbed after a chase that culminated on Red Hills Road, St. Andrew, about 3:30 p.m. According to a release from the Constabulary's Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the team went into action when a transmission from the Police Emergency Communications Center alerted units that a robber who left victims in Legany and Constant Spring Road area of St. Andrew was believed to be in the vicinity of Constant Spring Road. The suspect, who was traveling on a motorcycle, was spotted in the Cassava Peace area. However, he utilized the sidewalk to elude the lawmen, the release said. The police said that the teams were relentless and continued their pursuit of the suspect, eventually cornering him in the vicinity of Elizabeth Avenue on Red Hills Road. He attempted to flee on foot when the motorcycle he was riding collided with a police service vehicle. However, supporting teams had surrounded the area and he was held in a nearby gully, the police said. The motorcycle was reportedly seized, along with four cell phones, all of which the police believe to have been stolen. A cross-sectional division investigation is said to be now underway as a suspect possibly involved in a series of robberies being probed in neighboring St. Andrew South Central Division. The police have not released the identity of the suspect just yet. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.